Hello and welcome back. This is video number 3. Let's talk about how to protect yourself against bad CPA networks. This is not 100% guarantee, but this is something that we have used over the years. Okay, so like we discussed previously, there are bad CPA networks. But with that said, there are also many good ones. So how do you know if you're driving leads to a good CPA network, meaning one that will pay you? Before we go to the site, I want to say that some CPA networks will alert you immediately, and that's why you have to have a good relationship with your affiliate manager. Sometimes they'll alert you and say, hey, these are the top countries to drive traffic to, and you start driving traffic to those top countries. And what ends up happening is you drive really bad traffic. So typically your affiliate manager will contact you and say, hey, we noticed that the quality of your traffic is not that great. Please stop now. And they might either ban you from that offer, and some really good CPA networks will pay you, but they'll just ban you, or they'll pay you and they'll ban you from that offer, or they'll ban you outright. Now, there are specific elements that you can adhere to kind of increase the quality of your traffic and push away the bad traffic. Now, there's a specific site called AFPay, and let's head on over to that site and let me show you around. And this is going to be a great site on how to figure out what CPA networks are good, which ones have really bad reviews versus which ones are legitimate and may have really good reviews. Now, ultimately, it's going to be based on your experience, but at the same time, this is going to be a good site that you can use to do your due diligence. So let's hop on over to that website. Okay, so if you go to affpaying.com, that's spelled as AFF paying, PAYING.com, affpaying.com. You'll get to the site and it's basically a directory. Now, there are other affiliate CPA directories like offervault.com, but I like this site mainly because you get real affiliates, you get affiliate reviews, and people will generally post their payments. So for example, if they got paid by the CPA network, then you get to see that people post their payments. Now, not everyone posts their payments, and there might be some really good CPA networks out there that have people that just don't post that information, but this will kind of give you a baseline on that. All right, so let me zoom in just a little bit, like that. All right, so up at the top, we have your ability to search affiliate networks. So you can type in the affiliate network right here if you would like to. I can say right off the bat, Moby Idea. That's a good affiliate network. Moby Idea is also not just an affiliate CPA network, but they're also a traffic network, and they specialize in push notifications. So that's one that I can say that's good. So let's just click on Moby Idea. So that actually goes to the website, so we don't want that. Okay, so for the sake of an example, I typed in Moby Idea or Mob Idea, and then you can see it down here. Ad Combo is another good one. Now, you'll notice that specific CPA networks specialize in specific areas. Some will focus purely on mainstream things like sweepstakes, gift cards, vouchers, things like that. And then, of course, some will specialize in adult, like dating and other adult things. So just keep that in mind as you're going through. Now, we'll click on this one here. You can see that there are about 31 positive reviews and 1 negative review. So you can get an idea of how they pay out and how fast they pay. Now, to me, this is just information. What I really pay attention to is the affiliate reviews, both the negative and the positive, and the payment proofs. So as we can see here, this person says they pay well to the affiliate network. So if you put your mouse over this, you can see that this person received an actual PayPal commission via PayPal. So it says Moby Idea is one of my favorite affiliate networks. They're always releasing new improvements to help affiliates generate even more money. So we actually use Moby Idea as well. It's one of the good networks. So you can see they pay well there. So that's a good sign when people post their affiliate payments. So if we scroll down, we see that we like what we see. That might be something that we can go with. Now I like to click on payment proofs as well. And it's basically similar to what we saw earlier, where we can put our mouse over the images and see that, yes, this CPA network actually pays people. Now, like I said, some CPA networks will not have affiliates that are willing to post this information. Some affiliates just don't want you to know, So some affiliates may think, oh, I'm making a lot of money from the CPA network. I don't really want you to know about that. The only way to know that is to really try it out. And then you got some newer CPA networks that are out there. Now, there are a lot of affiliate forums that you can go to. So if you don't find information on affpaying.com, you can go to those forums and try to talk to people who are actively super affiliates or CPA affiliates and find out. All right. So that's another avenue that you can use. Now, typically, I like to use affpaying.com to figure out, is the CPA network good, or at least it has a lot of really good reviews. The next website that I use is offervault.com. And offervault.com is a really good site to figure out, okay, what offers is this particular CPA network running? So let's type in Moby Idea. So sometimes we won't see it, but let's see, Moby network. Okay, so they don't have it, unfortunately, but let's choose something like very popular, like PureFly. I'll remove this here. And by doing that, you can get an idea of the affiliate network and how much they will pay out per lead. All right. Now, the traffic that we're going to be using, we're going to be using a specific type of offer, what we call a smart offer or a smart link. And I'll discuss that more in detail in just a minute. But for now, this is basically how you figure out which affiliate network you want to go with and which ones you want to apply to. Because it's really easy to apply to a lot of different affiliate networks, but what I recommend is just find the one that fits you and go with that.